Welcome to my channel Explore New Things. With such this video, you will be watching the unboxing of IMASS A3 robot vacuum cleaner. We purchased this product in the first release in Amazon. So let's unpack this product. Guys, on this box it is written as this box is necessary for sending it back to service if required. So please do save this box. In this box, there is another box. These are instruction manuals. This is the robot. These are two extra side brushes. This is front side of the robot and back side of the robot. This is the cleaning brush. These are remote batteries. This is the docking station. This is the cable to connect to the docking station. This is the 2-in-1 water tank and dustbin. And this is the remote. That's it. These are the things we received in this package. Now let's open the robot. Be careful by taking the side brushes out from the cover. Like this in the back side, in front side like this. This is the instructions book. Now we need to take off the EVA protection before using it for the first time. Yeah. Now let's switch on the robot. Over here, there is an on and off button which we need to press it.
Welcome to the robot cleaner. I'm happy to start you.
Now we need to press this.
Begin to clean.
This is the unboxing, guys. In the next video, I'll explain the features. In the first hand review, I can say I am very much satisfied with this product. It has very nice sensors. Guys, thank you for watching this video and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.